Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing question 28 from the past paper link down below. So it says here are the results after 250 spins of a coin. We have a table which says 128 heads and 122 tails. The coin is spun an extra 50 times. After all 350 spins, the relative frequency of heads is 0.49. For the extra 50 spins, work out the number of heads to number of tails. And this is a 3-mark question. So we showed the amount of heads and tails in that top box. That's for the first 250 spins. We have 128 heads and 122 tails. And we're also told the total amount after the 300 in some sense, because we're told the relative frequency. So if there were 300 spins and the relative frequency of heads is 0.49, let's times 300 by 0.49 and that will give us the total amount of heads. So total heads is equal to 300 times 0.49 and that's going to be equal to 147. So the remainder are going to be tails, I presume. They haven't described that the coin can land on its side, so I'm assuming the rest will be tails. So total tails is going to be 300 minus 147 because it's going to be minus the heads. That's going to leave us with 153 tails. So now we've got the results from the first 250 spins and then the results from the 300 spins. So all we have to do now is look at the difference and we can work out how many heads there were and how many tails. So the head difference is going to be 147 minus 128. That's going to leave us with 19. That's because the final result is 147 heads and the result from the first 250 is 128 heads. So during those extra 50 spins, there were 19 heads. And the tail difference is going to be 153 minus 122, which is equal to 31. So the frequency will be 19 to 31 of heads to tails for those 50 spins. And that should get you all 3 marks. Hopefully that made sense. Hopefully it was clear. If you do have any comments or questions, just let me know down below and I'll try and get back to you there. Best of luck with all your maths and thanks for watching.